Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The KTC hydrogen phosphide represents a significant shift in the landscape of display technology by offering a dual-mode functionality that targets two distinct types of computer use within a single hardware unit. At its core, this 27-inch monitor is designed to solve a common dilemma for those who balance high-resolution creative work with high-speed competitive gaming. For approximately $340, the device provides a primary operating mode of ultra-high-definition 4K resolution at a refresh rate of 160 Hz. However, the standout feature of this particular model is its ability to switch into a secondary mode that drops the resolution to 1920 by 1080 in exchange for doubling the refresh rate to 320 Hz. This dual nature allows the monitor to function as both a premium clarity display and a professional-grade speed display depending on the immediate requirements of the task at hand. By utilizing a fast-in-plane switching panel, the monitor aims to maintain color accuracy and wide viewing angles while minimizing the motion blur that often plagues slower display technologies. This combination of specifications suggests a versatile approach to the modern desktop setup, where the boundaries between productivity and play are increasingly blurred. Regarding the physical build and design of the H27P6, the construction emphasizes utility and modern ergonomics. The 27-inch screen size is widely considered the sweet spot for a desktop monitor because it provides enough screen real estate for multitasking without requiring the excessive head movement often associated with larger 32-inch panels. The stand is a central component of the design, offering a full range of mechanical adjustments including height, tilt, swivel, and pivot. This allows the screen to be rotated into a vertical orientation, which is a practical configuration for programmers or writers who need to view long lines of code or text. For those who prefer a more customized workspace, the monitor includes standard VESA mounting holes on the back, making it compatible with a wide variety of third-party monitor arms. Connectivity is another area where the design shows a focus on modern hardware standards. The inclusion of an HDMI 2.1 port ensures compatibility with the latest gaming consoles, allowing them to output at 4K resolution with high frame rates. Additionally, the DisplayPort 1.4 input serves as the primary connection for high-end graphics cards. Perhaps the most notable inclusion in the port selection is the 90-watt USB Type-C port. This single cable solution is designed to handle video signals and data transfer while simultaneously providing enough power to charge a high-performance laptop. This reduces cable clutter and simplifies the process of connecting a mobile workstation to a stationary display. To further enhance productivity, the monitor features integrated KVM support, which allows a single set of peripherals like a keyboard and mouse to control two different computers connected to the display. The performance of the KTC hydrogen phosphide is defined by its ability to handle different visual workloads with technical precision. In its native 4K mode, the pixel density is high enough that individual pixels are nearly invisible to the naked eye at a standard viewing distance. This level of detail is particularly important for tasks involving fine text or high-resolution imagery. The 160 Hz refresh rate at this resolution provides a level of fluid motion that is far superior to standard 60 Hz displays, making everyday navigation of the operating system feel much more responsive. When the monitor is switched into the 320 Hz 1080p mode, the priority shifts entirely to motion clarity. This extremely high refresh rate is designed to reduce the time between frame updates, which is critical in fast-paced environments where milliseconds can determine the outcome of an action. Because this is a fast IPS panel, the transition between colors is quick enough to prevent ghosting, which is the trailing effect often seen behind moving objects on slower screens. The monitor also supports adaptive sync technology, which synchronizes the refresh rate of the display with the frame rate output of the graphics card. This synchronization is vital for eliminating screen tearing and stuttering, ensuring that the visual experience remains smooth even when the frame rate fluctuates. Color performance is bolstered by the HDR 400 certification, which indicates a level of peak brightness and contrast that can highlight details in both the darkest and brightest areas of an image. While not as extreme as higher-tier HDR standards, it provides a noticeable improvement in dynamic range over standard definition displays. Determining who this monitor is best suited for requires looking at the specific advantages of its dual-mode capability. It is an ideal choice for someone who occupies two different worlds on the same machine. For instance, a video editor or a graphic designer requires the 4K resolution to see the intricate details of their work and needs accurate color representation to ensure their projects look correct across different devices. However, if that same person spends their evenings playing competitive shooters where frame rate is more important than resolution, they would typically need a second, faster monitor. The hydrogen phosphide eliminates the need for a dual monitor setup by allowing that user to simply switch modes. It is also a strong candidate for a student or a remote worker who uses a modern laptop. The 90-watt power delivery through the USB Type-C port means they can keep their laptop charged and connected to all their desktop peripherals with a single plug. This convenience, combined with the KVM switch, makes it a powerful hub for a multi-device workflow. Console gamers will also find value here, as the HDMI 2.1 support allows for the full utilization of modern gaming systems, while the optional high refresh rate mode offers a path for those who might eventually transition into more competitive PC gaming. It serves as a bridge between high-end professional utility and high-end recreational performance. In a balanced assessment, the KTC hydrogen phosphide presents itself as a highly versatile tool that attempts to master two different aspects of display technology. Its strength lies in its flexibility, offering a high-resolution experience for clarity-driven tasks and a high-speed experience for performance-driven tasks. The inclusion of modern features like 90-watt power delivery and KVM support adds a layer of practical value that goes beyond just the screen specifications. While some might find that a dedicated 4K monitor or a dedicated high refresh rate monitor could offer slight advantages in their specific niches, the ability to have both in a single 27-inch frame is a compelling proposition. It addresses the needs of a modern user who does not want to compromise on either side of the spectrum. The build quality and ergonomic options ensure it can fit into various professional and personal environments comfortably. Ultimately, this monitor is about providing choices to the user. Whether it is being used to analyze complex datasets in 4K or to track fast-moving targets at 320 Hz, the hardware is designed to adapt. It stands as a robust example of how modern displays are evolving to become more than just output devices, acting instead as central hubs for productivity and entertainment alike. For those looking to streamline their desk without sacrificing the specific technical requirements of their hobbies or their profession, this model offers a thoughtful and effective solution that justifies its place in a high-performance setup. It is a well-rounded piece of technology that recognizes the diverse ways people interact with their computers today, offering a balanced mix of speed, detail, and connectivity. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.